We were hearing from the candidates that they needed to see a system that was a little bit more responsive, that gave them greater flexibility as far as uploading their personal documents go, and also that they had a little bit more freedom of expression when they used our system. And they felt that that would put them in the best light when it came to being viewed by the different recruiters at the schools. One of the most significant improvements that we made to the system was giving the candidate the freedom to select which documents they want to upload, and some of those could be audiovisual documents. That allows them to upload their personality into the system without having somebody pre-screen it into what they think that candidate should look like. So the ability of the total freedom to the candidate that's about to present themselves to a recruiter is highly important to us, and that was one of the primary things that we got back from the survey. So if you look at some of the different candidates that we have, some went to a Prezi presentation and they showed all of their different classroom activities, and they were able to express themselves that way. We had some other styles that used YouTube videos, and they uploaded those to our website and showed them actually teaching in the classroom. Prezis and YouTubes allow them to break free from the usual type of resume presentation that they would give to the different recruiters. That way they can really express themselves. If you look at a resume, it's a very flat document that doesn't have any personality to it, and everybody tends to look the same in it. People tend to use a uniform style, and a lot of computer systems tend to make those styles even more uniform. So somebody looking at a particular set of resumes from some candidates would pretty much see the same kind of candidate from one resume to the next. By uploading a YouTube presentation or a Prezi presentation, they really get the ability to style that using their particular personality and show how that fits in with teaching. Right now we have a much more friendly interface, and we encourage the candidates to upload their documents themselves. In the past, it was kind of a blind submittal process where you would submit your resume and submit the extra documents to ISS, and ISS would then group them together and put them into a dossier. We've broken that trend, and we've allowed the users to actually specify how they want to be loaded. Well, ISS did a tremendous amount of work on the back end of the system to increase performance, and we've got multiple servers now running that should be much more responsive to the users. And we've also gone through a great amount of analysis as to how many clicks it takes to get from one place to the next within the system. And we've tried to reduce that to the absolute minimum number wherever possible.